Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So what we're working on right now is some tips that I painted blue with the Lagunamoon gel polish. I'll put the number for you guys. And now I'm using some Yayoge gel paint to make some stripes on there, and I'm just cleaning them up real nice as we go. And this nail is going to represent candy, sort of. Here's the thing about this set, it's all sort of abstract and almost Art Deco-y style. It's all sort of to represent the coldness and winteriness of December, along with Christmas and snowstorms, and so each nail has its own little vibe and flavor. And now I'm just grabbing this little pot to set this on just to stabilize it a little bit. And do you see I have this little goober there? I do end up filing that out later and fixing it with a second coat. I don't think I show the second coat. I think I edited that out because it does get a little repetitive, and I'm positive you don't see me buff that out, but it looks better later. See, I'm playing with it right now because I noticed it. So tomorrow is going to be some nail mail, so definitely want to come back for that. Be sure to subscribe because then you're my favorite. I don't normally ask everyone to subscribe, but we are getting so close to 100. So I just want to encourage everyone to click that button. And now this nail, I forgot to hit record, and that actually happens a couple times in the video. But this nail, I just really wanted to represent sort of the frenzy of a little snowstorm. And there, now we're a little more focused. And so I'm just doing that with some line work and just letting it be its own chaotic, weird little mismatch of things. And I don't know, it made me happy. Now on this nail, what we're gonna do is make sort of a stylized Christmas tree kind of thing. I actually, in the end, ended up really enjoying how it came out, even though it didn't really come out exactly as I envisioned it in my head originally, but I still really, really, really love what ended up coming out. And I'm dipping off camera. There's a couple times where you don't see things and I cut it out because I'm still going off camera too much. But like I said in a previous video, I have an idea about that. I've just not had a chance to get anywhere to buy the things that I need to. And like yesterday was my birthday, and so I didn't really want to go out and do a ton of things. I just ran to the store because I wanted a birthday pie. So, and a friend of mine was here, so he took me over there so I didn't have to deal with the bus. So, you know, you take advantage of the moments. And so we're just finishing up the tree, putting in a little bit of lines, just a little bit. And I kept this part a little, this part isn't sped up or anything, just so you can see. You take your time and just put it wherever it feels right. Because a tree, they're not always 100% perfect. And so, I don't know, I just liked the idea of representing the shape instead of trying to make those perfect ideas of the tree, right? And then again, we're going to go ahead and pop off camera for a second. Sorry about that. And into the lamp. And now, this particular nail to me is to represent, again, sort of an abstract idea of what a snowflake would look like, not, you know, an actual 100% representation of a snowflake. Just, you know, almost again, an Art Deco kind of feel to it. Very abstract, very just linear and dotty. So you'll see what we do here. It's very quick. This part doesn't really take that long, because really you're just making some lines and stuff and adding dots so that you can really accentuate the parts that you want to, so that it starts to resemble more like a snowflake. But again, it's really abstract, so it's not to look exactly like a snowflake. I had a really good time making this set. We're going to add some pops of red here too, but for some reason I did not get it on camera. I don't know if I didn't hit record, or I don't know what happened, because I thought I had all the footage, but I absolutely did not. Now this is the Pinkie nail, and what I didn't show you doing the first two because it's all repetitive and it was a little off frame. But I'm just making some white circles as a background because, and I made a mistake, let's clean that up, and we're just going to use those white circles as a background for the red so it pops a little more. And while we have the red out, we're going to add some red stripes to this candy nail. Just to give it, you know, kind of that peppermint stick vibe, right? Peppermint sticks come in all different colors. So, and then now I'm just going to add that red color to these white circles. And there she goes again. She realized, look at that. Look at that. She thought it through using the noodle. Okay, that's going to get cured. And then we're going to come in a little bit. And you can see I'm adding some little black dots just to represent the bulb hangers, kind of like we did in, not kind of like, exactly like we did in the video yesterday. And then now we're going to use white paint this time to just make the string that they're all hanging on. They're all hanging on this sort of garland string, I guess. I should have put maybe glitter on this, but you know, I didn't really think of it. That probably would have been really awesome. I'll think of that next time, because it would have made it look more like garland, right? That would have been a good idea. But then I just let it sort of trail off the side of the nail so that, you know, it looks like it extends off. You don't know how many bulbs are on this string. I should have put like little lights inside or something. Okay, I'm thinking that actually next year we're going to do recreation videos, and maybe we'll make this set a recreation set. I think that's going to be super de-duper fun. Okay, guys, here's where it is. I did not actually show you that I put these little red dots on the Christmas tree, and I put that star on the Christmas tree. But this is the set completed. I'm just adding some top coat to that one so that the star won't pop off. And here we go. The whole set. There's going to be, there's going to be some reveal shots coming up. So thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.